Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Kunai, local and long distance movers near me. By offering highly professional and efficient moves, we hope to match the demands of our customers. Our services are diverse, and you may move with 1, 2, 3, or 4 guys in a vehicle or more, depending on the needs. Long distance travel is defined as a journey of 100 miles or more. As a result, a long distance move might be inside your current state, a neighboring state, or even across the country. It can be stressful and time consuming to plan and organize such a move. However, this does not have to be the case. When you hire the right professional movers, the operation goes smoothly. 3 Movers Crew creates a friendly, stress-free atmosphere. We care about your happiness, thus we provide a secure transportation for your valuables at incomparable rates. If your relocation is less than 100 miles, you'll require a local mover. 3 Movers will take care of your local moving needs, whether you're moving across town or inside the state. Short distance moves may be just as difficult as long distance moves, which is why most people use a moving company to aid them. Our affordable moving services are quick and easy to use and can easily help set yourself at ease. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Kunai moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.